Okay, let's look at question 9, the cumulative frequency curve. For A, I want to find the median value. Well, I know that I need to take whatever the biggest cumulative frequency is, 200, and go from halfway. So from 100, I can see that the median is 20. So very quickly, let's start to get these down. A, part 1, median is 20. Second question asks me for the interquartile range. So I read off from the quartile, so 50, I read across, I've got 17 as the lower quartile. The upper quartile, 3/4 of the way, 150, I can read 25. So I know that the interquartile range is equal to the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. We got that to be 25 less 17, so an interquartile range of 8. Making sure I can make my answers nice and clear. Let me press the focus to stop that bouncing. On to part B. B part 1, let's look at the question. Find the cost for a user that downloads 27 gig. So the cost comes from just this information here, nothing to do with the diagram. So 27 gig, I know it's going to be $10 plus 27 gig at $2 each. That's going to be 54, so $64. So pretty straightforward with that one. Part 2, how many people pay $40 or less? I need to turn the cost into finding out how many gig they get. So $40, well, that uses $10 fee plus $30 for their data. So that must have been 15 gigabytes of data. So I come to diagram, I find 15 gigabytes of data, read off, I can see that was 40 people or less will pay. So therefore, 40 people end up paying that much for their data. Let's go on to part C. C, 3 answers, 1, 2, and 3. Let's get these down. First question, the median value. I know the median on these is represented by the middle bar, so I can see that's 17.5 is the median. The interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile, so that's going to be quartile range is 30 minus 5 is 25, and the probability that a user downloads 30 gig or less, well, there's 30 gig. I know that each of these sections represents a quarter of the people. So from 30 and less, I've got 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 of the people. So the probability is 3/4.